Is your personal computer running as well as it should be? Has something gone wrong and you don't know how to fix it? We rely on computers for everything nowadays: work, entertainment, and socializing, as well as storing personal data and precious photographs. So when your computer stops working, it can seem like life has stopped too. Our computer repair technicians are fully qualified and skilled. They are experienced and efficient enough to locate the cause of the problem and find the right solution to get your computer back up and running in the fastest possible time. And they'll do it without confusing you with geek speak or charging you the earth. Don't risk losing everything. Get your computer running right again. Call the professionals today.